Once again, we have come to Wilson Dam Waterfall, and this time we brought Riley, and of course we got Miss Marble with us today. You guys, it's just healing my soul just to be around this thing. It's so pretty. Y'all know I want to become one of my favorite world. So here I am. I don't do this very often, but I thought I would do it this time. Standing near the waterfall, as close as I can get, because, you know, I don't want to slip and fall, get hurt, or worse. It is gorgeous out here. It's a gorgeous day. Yeah, there's some wind coming out, and I'm getting a little spray, and it feels wonderful. Love this place. It's a nice place to visit. All right. This is the Wilson Dam. I haven't shown this before, and this is, I guess, what you call the spillway, so to speak. And we're gonna walk. Oh, I could stay here for a long, long time. You know, if you got a lawn chair and just sat out here on a hot day, that's all you need, right? Oh, it is beautiful, isn't it? Isn't that beautiful? God's special creation. And there goes Marble getting in the water. Marble, you don't get that far. Yep, that's my Marble. I bet that was good and cool, wasn't it, girl? Riley, Elaine, get down from there. One false move and you're going in the river, and I can't save you.
Well, at least the dam will catch you.
And Riley says this is her first time seeing a waterfall. What'd you think about it?
Pretty cool.
Oh. You gotta respect the water. This is the other little waterfall. And I'm hoping that this actually recorded voice this time. Because the last time I recorded the waterfall, it did not. And my mic was on.
Just like this.
Just appreciate it. I could sit here for a while.
Your brother actually got up under there and took a shower.
I would appreciate it if you would not get up there.
Well, why not?